Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that with your iPhone. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on so then all you have to do next, you just click here on accessibility here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on audio descriptions here, just click on it. You come here to audio descriptions, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here audio descriptions enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.